Think you need a sky high JEE rank to get into IIT Patna? Well, not necessarily. Today I'm pulling back the curtain on how I got in, step by step, and how you can too. Hey everyone, Sayak here. Welcome back to Sayak's Tech Diary. In episode 5, I took you inside IIT Patna's orientation. Today, episode 6, is all about the hybrid BSMS program and my own admission journey, so you'll know exactly how to get in even without JEE. It all started at the end of March when I submitted my online application and paid the initial application fee of around 3,000. Then came mid-June, the document verification stage. Within just an hour after verification, I got the link to pay my first semester fees. Once that payment was done, my admission was officially confirmed. IIT Patna then sent me an offer letter along with all the important contact numbers for future assistance. Finally, I received an invitation to the offline orientation on 12th July, where we had to submit all required documents, an affidavit, and a medical certificate, neatly packed in an A3 envelope. Requirement: a valid entrance score. But here's the twist. You can use any positive percentile, such as 50 percentile, in JEE Mains, WBJEE, MHTCET, CUET, or even NEET. No such score? No problem. You can take the IIT Patna SAT entrance exam where you only need 30 percentile overall to qualify. I've put the official registration link in the description box so you can check it directly. Important update. Applications for the July or autumn 2025 batch have closed, but the December spring batch admissions are now open. So if you're planning to apply, this is the right time. No more JEE or nothing mindset. Opens doors for students from different backgrounds and various entrance exams. Ideal for working professionals or students who miss the traditional IIT cutoff but still want a top-tier IIT education. Live interactive classes plus recorded lectures available within 30 minutes after each session. Access to IIT faculty and industry-level curriculum. Twice a year campus immersion for hands-on learning and networking. Same degree as in-campus students, no online tag. Keep all documents scanned and ready before applying. Make the initial payment quickly to avoid missing deadlines. Double check your email daily during the admission window. Communication is mostly via email. Arrange your A3 envelope and documents well in advance for the offline orientation. So that's the exact process from application to stepping into campus for orientation. In the next episode, episode 7, I'll take you deep into the IIT Patna Hybrid Program itself, how classes work, and the unique advantages you get. Make sure you don't miss it. Smash that like button if this helped you, subscribe to Sayak's Tech Diary for more IIT insights, and drop your questions in the comments. I'll answer as many as I can.